What's going on, guys? Back out here at the house again today. We've only got a couple hours, but I just got back from Lowe's and picked up a few things to try and finish out the shower. It's I say finish out. It's not going to be what we would like, but it's going to be usable. That's kind of the goal for now, and until we get to the point where we can completely gut this bathroom and redo it. But in the meantime, we're just trying to get it working and usable, so that hopefully we can move in and then we'll work on it as we go. But picked up a few things here, and yeah, let's get started. So these are, I couldn't find any direct replacements, and these are universal handles. They're supposed to work with almost any um, shower faucet valve. So I guess we will see if they do. I'm not quite sure that they're going to work with these covers though. So we might be SOL on those, but we'll see. I don't reckon these particular universal ones are going to work. So I guess we're going to take those back. So that's not going to work. So we're going to go on to the faucet. I got a new one. It's pretty much the exact same thing because this diverter is not working. So we're going to see if this new diverter, and it looks exactly the same though. I'm wondering if it's not the just the design of it that's not allowing it to close off. Okay. Well, I guess it works. So well, I don't need but like a eighth of a turn. So I think what I'm going to do, goodness, is take this back off. I'll try and tighten the pipe just like I said, an eighth of a turn, and see if we can't do it that way. It sucks because this is a little bit shorter. I mean, I'm talking about like an eighth of an inch shorter than the other one, and it's gonna leave me with a gap. But I'm gonna silicone it. But you know, it is what it is. We will work through it. I wonder if I can clean the threads though. I bet I can. Clean the threads a little bit. If I can find a wire brush. So I'm gonna try and clean the threads a little bit on this and see if we can't get a little bit more out of it. No luck with the wire brush, but I did find a an old rusty half moon file. That, my friend, is straight enough to me. It's a little bent up, but I think it'll be alright. And then I guess for now we're just gonna have to use the same handle for both sides until we get her figured out. So, try this one more time. I had some water coming out of the bottom of this, so I think I'm going to take it back off one more time, and I might put some pipe tape on it and see if that'll seal it up. I just don't want it leaking back into that hole. So, yeah, trying to avoid any leaking into the back of the tub. I think I got it twisted all the way that time. Scratched my tile, but hey. See what happens this time. If we're still leaking. I think we're golden. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Well, I'm excited. So, I guess let's move on to the shower head. Yeah. Too much excitement. This one hopefully is going to be easier. Okay, so we're going to start this by, first of all, I went and got a shower arm flange that's just a little bit wider. I'm hoping it fits over that, but and I'm hoping that the goal is to cover that top bit, because whoever worked on this before me didn't do a great job about getting that sealed up. Oh. probably good enough, and I'll throw some silicone around it. Yeah, I think that'll do. And then from here, got one of these because as you can see, I'm fairly tall, and I absolutely despise having to lean over to put my head underneath the water. Like, we have to do that at our current house right now, and it is the bane of my existence. I know it's just something minor, but it's like when you go to somebody else's house, or like when we go and stay with my in-laws, my mother and father-in-law, like they've got like a full-size shower, and I can actually stand up, straight up, and be underneath the water, and just that minor detail is worth every penny for this thing. Sorry guys, didn't realize you couldn't see, but got our shoe shower head that's going to go on this, and this is going to put it quite a bit higher than it was before. So this is what I should have done to my other tub at our other house a long time ago, but I never did because I'm cheap. Even though it was only like $22 or something like that, but yeah. Let's see how it goes. That is what I'm talking about, baby. Good enough. That's right. And that, my friends, is what joy looks like. That's amazing. And that, my friends, is an almost 100% working shower. That is amazing. All right, guys, so I only had a couple hours today, like I said, but I definitely feel like I got a fair bit accomplished. So my phone died there at the end of the shower bit. I did go ahead and get the toilet set, and the only thing I have left on it is to get a new water line to go from the shut-off valve over to the back of the toilet, and then I'll be able to test that. But once that's done, the upstairs bathroom is officially in working order. Yeah, I'm super excited about that. So yeah, so if you guys want to follow along, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. See y'all.